This is a funny school bag. It's great. Look, your school bag is a teddy. Have you got a pencil sharpener?
Yes, we have. Look, it's a spider.
Oh, yes. What's this? Is it a cat? It's a cat. And it's a glue stick. That's funny. This is our school bag. It's cool.
Have you got a folder?
Yes, we have. It's a dog. I like dogs. Look, we've got a water bottle too. It's a snowman.
This is our pen. It's a snake.
We've got funny school bags.